And the Director of Assets and Legal Affairs at the English Point Marina, who is facing 5 counts of fraud and impersonation, will establish whether the case proceeds as is or with a change of the complainant's legal team next month. Nazir Jinna, accused of using senior counsel John Khaminwa's name and that of his company in conducting fraudulent transactions in the pretext of being a lawyer, is accused of acquiring 50 million Kenya shillings from the sale of a Mombasa property without the consent of the owners. Let's get more details now on that report from Hassan Mugambi.
Before Chief Magistrate Caroline Njagi, Nazir Jinna, Asset and Legal Affairs Director at English Point Marina, was in the dock for the hearing of a case pitting him against a family that accuses him of fraudulently selling its property in Mombasa without its consent. Jinna is reported to have sold the property worth 50 million shillings to Mombasa Speaker Ahrub Kharti and never remitted the money to the family claiming ownership. Nazir faces 5 charges, including obtaining money by false pretense, uttering a false document, and impersonation. He is reported to have conducted business pretending to be an associate at the Khaminwa Khaminwa law firm.
Your Honor, we make these applications orally in court.
His lawyer, Conrad Maloba, has sought to have the court compel the complainant's lawyer, Valentine Khaminwa, to recuse herself, citing conflict of interest.
They will be called as witnesses. All these documents pertain to the firm of Khaminwa and Khaminwa advocates. At this point, counsel cannot detach herself from the firm. And we pray that the firm be disqualified from watching brief or participating in this trial.
Kindly allow me to clarify that I'm watching brief under the hat of Val Khaminwa Advocates. I'm not here under the banner of Khaminwa and Khaminwa.
Magistrate Caroline Njagi is set to rule on whether Khaminwa continues on the 13th of next month. Jinna is not new to controversy. In yet another legal battle in Mombasa, he is accused of using his position as Legal Affairs Director at English Point Marina to lock out apartment buyers from their property. The disgruntled apartment owners who bought their units for approximately 50 million shillings each have accused Jinna of theft through fraudulent billing of service charge and denying them the option of subletting their own apartments. Jinna, who is alleged to have a fraud record in Kenya and Canada, is currently being investigated by the DCI and the Law Society of Kenya on allegations of transacting business as a lawyer despite not appearing on the roll of advocates. Hassan Mugambi, Citizen TV.